Hi, let's provide a solution to this problem very quickly. Okay, so how do we deal with this? This could have been over 1, so why don't we write square root of x over 2x equals 4 over 1, so that square root of x times 1 will give us square root of x, then 2x times 4 will give us 8x. Now, we are going to square both sides so that the square root can go. So we have 8x all squared. This goes with this so that x is equal to 8x times 8x. That will give us 64x squared, right? Now, let's write the highest, the one with the higher power first. 6x, 64x squared is equal to x. Bring this to the other side to get 64x squared minus x to be 0. What is common to both of them is what? X. So here we have 64x minus here we have 1 now, and this is equal to 0. So it's x 0 or 64x minus 1 0. So if this is 0, then here we have 64x to be equal to 1. Then our x is 0, or it is 64x divided by 64 equal to 1 divided by 64 if you divide both sides by 64. So this goes there, and then x is equal to 0 or 1 over 64. But then the equation is square root of x over 2x being equal to 4. If you put the first value of x, we'll have square root of 0 over 2 times 0. And this will give us square root of 0 over 0. And dividing anything by 0 makes it undefined. So we are not going to use x to be 0, to do this. As a matter of fact, this value of x will not be accepted. So it has to be rejected, right? Now let's work with the second value, which is x equals 1 over 64. Okay, so this is what we have, and we want to test x equals 1 over 64 to see if it will satisfy the equation. So we have square root of 1 over 64 now, divided by 2 multiplied by 1 over 64. So the question is, will this give us 4? Let's keep trying. So this means we have square root of 1 over 4 is 1 over 8. Because square root of 1 is 1, square root of 64 is 8. The whole of this is divided by 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 64 will give us 32. And this means that we have 1 over 8 divided by 32. And this 32 could have been what? Okay. So what do we do? Oh, by the way, this is supposed to be 1 over 32. So we're having, let me rewrite this. As we get 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 32. Okay. So from here now, we have 1 over 32. 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 32. And if you take a step further, we have 1 over 8 multiplied by 32 over 1. So we have this to give 1, this to give what? 4. So at the end of the day, we have 4 times 1, which is 4. Okay. And what is the equation again? The square root of x over 2x equals 4. So we are very correct as we say x is equal to 1 over 64. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so you can always have access to my videos. Thank you, and equally share to your friends. Trendy.